Hi, my name is Rebecca Lang and I am the naturopath at Bargara Beach Holistic Health Centre. I'm just going to take you through a little meditation for tonight. Being the full moon, we're going to send some good energy out there to the earth and humanity. So if you just like to take a few deep breaths, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. I'd just like you to focus on the earth, to under your feet and down into the earth. I'd just like to acknowledge Mother Earth and give thanks for everything that she does for us, for the tides that move, for the ocean, for the moon cycles, the sunrise and the sunset, for the soils and the trees and plants that grow. We give acknowledgement and we send our energy that we learn to look after the earth in a better and more positive way as we move forward as a society. We know that the earth is here to support us and to nourish us, to protect us and heal us. We also like to take this time to ask the earth for help and assistance, to help us find our way, to help us find the answers, to help us heal humanity, to help us bring an end to the suffering that is happening at the moment, and ask for help in healing the planet and each and every one of us. We send out beautiful energy and healing energy for those that are in hospital or feeling sick, for their family members, for people who have lost their jobs and their businesses, people who are struggling mentally and emotionally with the changes that are happening. We ask the earth to send out beautiful energy and healing energy of love and light to all these people. We ask the earth to help bring about positive change for our future so that we can go back to our lifestyles, but in a more positive way, in a way that brings us awareness of how grateful we truly are for everything in our lives. How grateful we are to be able to just even hug our own family members. Taking a few deep breaths, and while you do this, taking a moment to just give thanks for everything in your life, for your family and friends and your home and your pets. We now go to the moon and we bring down and draw energy down from the moon and down into our bodies, helping to heal and rejuvenate and balance our bodies, our minds, our spirits, and our emotions. We feel the energy coming down in through our crown chakra at the top of our head and going down into our body, the beautiful energy coming down from the moon. Down through our bodies, healing, protecting, and then going out. The energy is going out through our feet and down into the earth like the roots of a tree. So again, feeling that energy down from the moon, down through your crown chakra, through your body, and down through your feet into the earth like the roots of a tree. We give thanks to the moon for everything in our lives, for our family, our friends, our homes, our pets, our plants, all the little things that we are just so grateful for now. And with everything that's happening at the moment, we are even more aware of how lucky we are for every individual person and every individual little thing that we have created in our life as well. We acknowledge and thank to the moon for our beautiful oceans and tides and the sunrises and the sunsets, for the plants and animals that grow. We ask for the moon to give us assistance at this time to help with healing the planet and all humans, and even some animals as well. So we ask for beautiful energy of love and light to go out to all of those that are unwell or in hospital, feeling for all their family and friends, everybody that's just trying to get by each day at the moment, people that are struggling with mental health. We use this time to send out beautiful energy to everybody to help them to be able to heal and get through every day. We ask the moon to help us at this time, to help us find the answers that we need to move forward as society. And we will go back to our lives, and we will go back to our jobs and our businesses and careers. But hopefully we will go back with an awareness of just how lucky that we are and how special life really is. Just taking a few moments to give thanks to the moon for all those things that you have in your life. Now put our hands on our heart and we give thanks for ourselves. Thank you for being here in this moment and taking this time to send our energy to the rest of the world in the hope for a better future for all of us. Thank you.